हेलो गाइस, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। माय नेम इज़ ज्ञानेंद्र फ्रॉम इंग्लिश विथ विलेज ब्लॉग। सो दोस्तों, आज मैं आपको एक ऐसी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगा जो कि है होली से संबंधित। होली क्यों मनाई जाती है, इसी से संबंधित मैं आपको स्टोरी बताऊंगा। सो इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू नो व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट होली, so just listen and watch this video till the end, and maybe you are going to learn so many vocabs and so many structures, also the way of speaking, how I am going to speak. You can also try after me. So this video is going to like totally amazing, because in this video you are going to learn how to speak story, also why we celebrate Holi. So let's start, guys. So if I talk about why we celebrate Holi, so there was a king named Hiranyakashipu. He had one son named Prahlad. Prahlad was the deity of Lord Vishnu. He kept on chanting Lord Vishnu's mantra. But on the other hand, his father Hiranyakashipu, he considered himself a god. He wanted his kingdom people to worship him, and also he killed so many people who denied worshipping him. All the people of his kingdom started worshipping to Hiranyakashipu, but except one person, who was none other than his own son Prahlad. Prahlad was not listening to his father, and he just kept on worshipping Lord Vishnu. His dad got angry and he said to his son, now you have to stop worshipping Lord Vishnu and just worship me. Then his son said, Dad, okay, it's okay if I am going to worship you, but don't ask me to stop worshipping Lord Vishnu. I will worship you, of course, but as well as my East God Vishnu. I will also do his worship. But Hiranyakashipu didn't accept his proposal, and he said, no, you have to worship me only. Look at around you, all the people consider me God. I am the powerful, I am the most powerful person in this world. No one is in front of me. Then Prahlad said, Dad, don't think so, because still every only one person is powerful, and that is God. Then Hiranyakashipu decided to kill his son. He said, okay, if you really believe in God, so let's see who will going to save your life. I am going to kill you. Then he called his Sainik and he asked them to throw him into the ocean. Then his all Sainik took Prahlad to near the ocean, and he threw Prahlad. But Lord Vishnu saved his life. After some days, again Prahlad came to his palace. Again, seeing him, seeing him, Hiranyakashipu got angry. He said, okay, I think, how come you are saved? He asked, how come you are saved? He said, Dad, it's a magic of Lord Vishnu. Again he got angry. He said, okay, let's see this time who is going to save you. Then he called his sister named Holika. She was blessed with a boon, that was she can burn any person, anything, but she can't be burned. So in order to show her power, she came and she said to her brother that, okay, tell me, whom should I burn? Then Hiranyakashipu said to his sister, okay, burn my son Prahlad. He is not listening to me, he is not worshipping me. Then Holika started laughing and she said, oh, it's like child. it's like a piece of cake for me to burn him. Okay, now I am going to show him my power. Then some woods were collected and one pyre was set up. Then Holika sat on this pyre, taking Prahlad in her lap. Then pyre was lit up. But this time Holika burnt. She started saying, "Save me, save me, save me." But no one saved her and she burnt. But Prahlad was saved just because of the magic of Lord Vishnu. Seeing this, Hiranyakashipu got more furious. He said, "Oh my God, how come? She was not supposed to burn. However, she burnt. Like Lord Brahma gave her a bone that was she can't be burnt, and now she burnt. How come? Actually, she burnt because she used her power for bad thing. She didn't use her power for good thing. That is why she burnt. But this time Hiranyakashipu was totally angry and he tied Prahlad to a pillar and he took mace, gada, and he asked Prahlad, "Okay, tell me, is your God everywhere?" Then Prahlad said, "Dad, yes, like Lord Vishnu, my God is everywhere, even he is into you." So then Hiranyakashipu asked, "Okay, is this God in this pillar?" Then said, "Yes, my God is in this." Hiranyakashipu took his mace and pillar, and he saw really this time from that pillar, when that pillar broke, one bizarre and dangerous person appeared from that. It was half of the lion and half of the man. Seeing seeing that, Hiranyakashipu got perspired and he got scared. He dropped his mace, and this time Lord Vishnu was very angry. He was so the person was who appeared in the pillar, that was none other than Vishnu. He came in the form of lion, and this time he took Hiranyakashipu in his lap and he opened his chest with his nail, because he was also blessed with one bone that he can't be killed, like in night, at night, in the morning, in the afternoon, and maybe not upside downside, but he was killed at the doorstep. And by this way Hiranyakashipu was killed. And like that time Prahlad was also shivering, seeing the face of Lord Vishnu. But this time Lord Vishnu relented and he showed him his real face, and then he said that you are my real deity. So guys, that is why since then we started celebrating Holi. So that by this way we all people celebrate Holi. So I must say that you must have got why we celebrate Holi. So guys, from my side, wish you a very happy Holi to each and everyone. May you get success and get every happiness in your life. Thank you so much guys. Please like and subscribe.